and white beans. Let's dump that kale in there. Oh, beautiful. Good afternoon. School's in session. We're after Thanksgiving. I got a bunch of turkey breasts. I like to make all kinds of different things, and here's an idea I had. We're using this nice cast iron Dutch oven. We're going to saute mirepoix, which are carrots, onions, and celery in olive oil. We're also going to put a little desert gold in it and some little Louis. We're going to saute until the onions are soft, and then we're going to add diced white meat turkey, stir it up good, and then we're going to add, to get to about 2/3 of the way to the top, chicken stock. Now, I'd love to have turkey stock, I don't. Now, that'll simmer for about an hour. And then from there, I'm gonna add these drained white beans. So all of a sudden, we got a turkey and white bean soup. This is a kale and broccoli salad that you can buy at Trader Joe's. Now, it comes with some arugula. I like to pull the arugula out. Now, with about an hour left, 45 minutes left, I'm gonna add the broccoli and the kale. So this could be a kale and white bean soup with turkey and broccoli. I think it's going to be crazy. I think it's a wild idea. The next time you're going to see me is at the stove putting it together. But here's a real simple thing. 3 ingredients in the mirepoix, 2 rubs, turkey, broccoli saw, beans. 9 ingredients with the stock, and you're going to have a beautiful, hearty fall soup. So let's see how it goes at the stove. Okay, we're ready to rock. Here we go. A little olive oil. That nice and heated up. Mirepoix. I'll give you an idea of what it looks like. Stir these up nicely. Get the oil on them. Look, I don't really measure seasoning. It works out pretty good with surface area. So this is salt, pepper, and garlic right here, the little Louis. So I just kind of coat the surface. Not too thick. We're going to come here with the Desert Gold, which is going to give us some citrus, some sesame, some more garlic, and good things. So, if you can tell, it's just a nice coating, okay? Now we're going to stir it up. You can always re-season at the end, season to taste, because that's going to give us our flavor other than salt and peppers and the stuff that's in the Desert Gold. About 5 minutes, 7 minutes, we'll get this. It's already smelling good. Time flies when you're having fun. This actually is really fun. I love doing it. I love cooking. Starting to talk to me. I like that. It's not yelling at me. You know, I talk to you guys all the time about listening to your pan. If it's yelling at you, turn it down. If you can't hear it, turn it up. And like I said, we want to get the carrots soft. We really are looking for when the onions are almost see-through is when we can go to stage 2, which is turkey. Now this is going to be full. Free-range chicken broth from my buddies at Trader Joe's. I'm going to go about half here. There we go. Now what we're going to do, look, it's already looking like turkey or chicken soup. Okay, let's get it to a boil, and then we're going to reduce it to a simmer and let it cook for about 45 minutes. Then we're going to add the beans. Let it cook for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to add the kale and broccoli. Should be a nice, hearty, healthy soup. Anybody getting hungry yet? We're getting close, kids. Don't worry. I wouldn't lie to you either. It's almost there. Really simple soup, man. Soup is so easy, especially if you cheat and don't make your own stock. Now, normally I make my own stock, but what happened is I didn't cook this this Thanksgiving, so the next day I cooked a double breast because I just couldn't stand not having it. So this is 1/2 of the double breast, the single breast here. But I didn't have any bones to make stock. So I'm cheating with a little chicken stock. You won't tell the difference, it's fine. Only 2 more things to add. Kale and broccoli and beans. It's bubbling. Now, let's bring it down to low. Let's cover it. I'm gonna go for about 30, 40 minutes. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, it's been a half hour. Looking beautiful. Do a little test of the turkey. beautiful. And white beans. Let's dump that kale in there. Kale and broccoli, white bean and turkey. Gosh, this looks good. Maybe just another little handful. Another 25 minutes for sure. We are golden. I'm very happy. We'll see you in 25 minutes. Okay, it's been a half hour. Looking beautiful. Do a little test of the turkey. Oh, beautiful. And white beans. Let's dump that kale in there. Kale and broccoli, white bean and turkey. Gosh, this looks good. Maybe just another little handful. Another 25 minutes for sure. I'm very happy. We'll see you in 25 minutes. Okay, kids. Like I said, the great thing to do is taste it. Nice, healthy soup after all the stuff you have at the... I nailed it. Last secret weapon here. Nice grated Parmesan. Get a little umami in there.